Hi, I'm Brad Hosler.
And I'm Allie Hosler. We're the owners of DryTech Exteriors, and we're your trusted local family-owned roofers.
The roof is your home's first line of defense, and DryTech offers the services and products you need for absolute maximum protection of your home. Whether you need a roof replacement, roof repair, or just a roof inspection, we do it all and have your best interest in mind. We don't cut corners. Your roof will be repaired or replaced with the most durable materials by our talented, professional team to protect your home and investment for years to come.
So, how do we determine specifically your roof's needs? Well, our extremely detailed process. When you call DryTech Exteriors, you'll speak with a very cheerful, professional member of our DryTech family who will gather your information and needs and provide you with a day and time for a free roof inspection by a highly educated DryTech Exteriors roofing expert. Your account manager will show up on time and complete a very detailed inspection of your roof structure and condition, and then advise on your options on site.
The installation of roofing is a precise process that requires an experienced professional for long-term results. Proper installation ensures the roof's longevity and performance, and we do not take that responsibility lightly. Now, what happens if asphalt roofing is done incorrectly or unprofessionally? This is crucial to understand. You could face leaks, voided material warranties, damage to your property, and costly repairs down the road. It's vital to choose a trusted roofing company with experienced professionals who are local, licensed and insured, and follow industry's best practices.
So why call DryTech Exteriors? For years, DryTech Exteriors has been voted Best of Dayton, the next door neighborhood favorite, and we were awarded the Better Business Bureau Eclipse Integrity Torch Award. We have even earned Owens Corning Platinum Preferred status, putting us in the top 1% of roofers in the entire country for customer satisfaction, quality, and financial stability. DryTech Exteriors has also received more 5-star reviews than any other Dayton roofing company.
Call today or inquire on our website to experience the DryTech difference. We've got you covered for your Dayton residential roofing needs.
If your roof's a wreck,
Call
DryTech.